In this video, we're deploying an automation that extracts invoices from your email, validates them, logs the data, and sends confirmations, all automatically every hour. This works for accounting teams, finance departments, or any business processing invoices at scale. We'll grab this from the template library and deploy it in seconds. Let's search for the Financial Controller agent. One click and the workflow editor opens with all 22 steps ready to configure. Here's the workflow canvas. Each node represents one action in the process. We'll walk through the key steps: email monitoring, invoice extraction, validation, logging, and confirmations. TaskAGI goes an AI assistant built into the editor. You can ask questions about your workflow anytime, and it'll explain how to configure or modify any step. Meet the AI Financial Controller and Reconciliation workflow, complete with setup notes to guide you through configuration. This trigger fires automatically every 60 minutes to initiate the invoice reconciliation workflow, with the next scheduled run at 2:42 p.m. on December 26th. This node centralizes your sheet URLs, pointing to your main data sheet error logs and metrics tracking, so the workflow knows exactly where to read data from and write results to throughout the reconciliation process. This node searches Gmail for recent financial documents, invoices, receipts, bills, and payments received in the last hour, pulling up to 10 results to feed into the reconciliation process. This node checks whether any emails were found in the previous search by verifying that the result count is greater than 0, then branches the workflow accordingly based on that condition. This node retrieves the full details of the first email from your inbox using its message ID, providing complete message data including headers, body, and attachments for the reconciliation process. This node uses GPT-4o Mini to analyze incoming emails and classify whether they contain financial documents like invoices, receipts, or bills, returning a Boolean confidence score for downstream routing. This node evaluates whether the document is financial by checking the Boolean flag from the previous step, routing the workflow down different paths based on that true or false result. This node uses GPT-4o Mini to extract structured invoice data from emails, parsing vendor name, invoice date, ID, and total amount directly into a JSON schema for downstream reconciliation. This node runs a JavaScript validation function that checks whether the AI extraction succeeded, and if any errors occurred during the previous step, halting the workflow if extraction failed. This node checks whether an error occurred in the previous step and routes the workflow accordingly. If no error is detected, processing continues forward. This node applies custom JavaScript logic to automatically categorize financial transactions into GL accounts based on vendor names, like routing AWA's charges to the correct cost center. This node appends the extracted invoice details, including invoice ID, vendor name, date, amount, and currency, directly to your Google Sheet, creating a persistent audit log of all processed invoices. This node sends a formatted HTML confirmation email to the admin with invoice details including the vendor name, approval status, and total amount pulled from earlier workflow steps. This node appends the processed financial metrics, timestamp, case ID, vendor name, amount, and GL category, directly to your Google Sheet, creating an audit trail of every reconciliation processed. This node appends error details, including timestamp, error type, message, and original email subject, directly to a Google Sheet for centralized error tracking and audit purposes. TaskAGI connects to over 1,000 integrations. With this agent, you could add Slack notifications for failed validations, sync approved invoices to QuickBooks, or log everything to a data warehouse. That's the complete setup. Deploy this from the template library and start automating your invoice processing today.